Hi guys, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to Mechanical Training World. Before going to the topic, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. It will be helpful for my channel growth. And if you like my content, share to your friends so they will also get benefited. So let's grow into the topic guys. This is the fourth lecture of ASME BPVC Section 8 Division 1 training. So, in this section, we will cover overview of ASME BPVC Section 8 Division 1. So, let's start, guys. So, first one is introduction. In this introduction section, you will get a brief idea about where to apply the code and which type of equipments you need to apply this code and what to do if certain rules are not applicable. So all this information you will get from this introductory section. And next one is subsection A, guys. It is the most important part of ASME section 8 division 1. It covers all general content related to design, welding, inspection, hydro test, pneumatic test, and proof test, and etc. lot more. So majority of information covered in this subsection A only. Subsection B. So it covers fabrication methods of pressure vessel, which includes how to weld your pressure vessel, how to brace the components, and how to give joint efficiency for that particular component. Don't worry, guys. We will discuss in detail all these topics in upcoming videos. This is the only introductory video for the ASME BPVC. And next one is subsection B, subsection C, guys. It covers material related requirements. That means the major materials which is used for pressure vessels are carbon steels, low LS steels, and stainless steels. All the information about the materials you will get from this subsection C only. And next one is there is a mandatory appendix. So mandatory appendix covers requirements that are not covered in the above subsections. For example, if you see the thickness formulas in subsection A is based on inner diameter of the pressure vessel, but but mandatory appendix 1 provides you supplementary formulas based on outer vessel diameter, guys. So, and if you see mandatory appendix 2 gives flange design requirements which are not covered in the above subsections. And next one is non-mandatory appendix. It provides you guidance but non-mandatory to follow. It will give you some information but it is non-mandatory follow, guys. So I hope you understand this session. If you like this contents, please share to your friends and it will helpful for them also. Thank you, guys.